Rosie travels back in time to uncover Scotland's ancient loch dwellers. Scotland's lochs are scattered with islands, not all of them natural, and some of them have a hidden history. Rosie's diving into the past now to find out about one of them.
There's a lot of activity here on the banks of Loch Achilty, a few miles northwest of Inverness. And the focus of it all is this tiny island just offshore.
What are we actually looking at? Because that's not a natural island, is it?
No, that's a crannog. It's an artificial island.
Richard Guest and his team, all volunteers, are from the North of Scotland Archaeology Society. Their Crannogs project is mapping and investigating these curious man-made loch structures, dozens of them in their patch.
What is a crannog?
We think they were used for dwelling. They might have been a status symbol because not everybody has an artificial island. They could have been defensive, but they're not all that successful as defensive because if you were to lay siege to them, you'd very soon run out of food.
There are around 600 crannogs across Scotland. This reconstruction was on Loch Tay, many dating from the Iron Age, 2,500 years ago. However, the team think this one on Loch Achilty may be a rare, more recent construction, maybe post-11th century, but that's what we're here to find out.
We'd like to get a chronology of when it was built, how long it was used for, and when it was abandoned. And if we can, we'd like to know how it was built, because although it looks like a pile of rocks now, there's actually a lot of timber involved in its construction.
In weather like this and with the two boats, it's no problem at all just nipping backwards and forwards.
Freelance archaeologist Cathy Dagg is overseeing the work on the island. We need a canoe to get there, but our ancestors may have arrived on foot.
Well, it's quite possible that there would have been some sort of a causeway just directly across from the mainland.
Richard is already over there, taking a core sample from under the rocks, probing down into the structure of the crannog.
The original occupation wasn't a stony layer. It was actually a platform, probably on piles placed into the base of the lake. As time went on and it got a bit rotten, they would pour more material onto it. So you have layers of brushwood, clay, things people have dropped, more brushwood, until at some point they stopped, they laid down some big timbers and then put all the stones on top.
It's probably going to take a bit of force that way.
The core contains sections from those different layers, probably representing hundreds of years of history. But before it can reveal its secrets, we need to get it out of the tube.
Oh, it's going to go, it's going to go.
Let's see some interesting stuff.
Whoa!
Hey.
With the sample released, Cathy can take a closer look. This bit of timber might be 1,500 years old.
It's not a very hard wood. We think it might be silver birch. It's something that I think they've cut down in the woods and they've laid it down to form some sort of woody platform.
But it's actually this sludge Cathy's really excited to delve into.
Think of the amount of information we might have. Carbonised seeds telling us what people were eating. There could be tiny fragments of animal bone, pottery, all sorts of things like that they were dropping on a daily basis.
And the story continues underwater. Mark Beattie Edwards is from the Nautical Archaeology Society.
We're looking for the same things as them, really. We're looking for evidence of occupation. We're looking for that organic material, the timber particularly, that we can help then date.
The divers can go that bit deeper, which here means further back in time.
What have you found so far?
We've moved a lot of rocks and we're starting, I think, to get to, in between the rocks, you can feel dense, glutinous mud. So that should be then organic material that's been trapped in there for some time. But in terms of finding what we need, which is new, datable timbers that can be radiocarbon dated from inside the mound, nothing yet.
So at the moment, it's all educated guesswork.
We think this is a medieval crannog from the carbon dates that we've had already, but we want to try and find out, was it an older one that was reused, or was it actually built in the medieval period? The ones that are known about that are medieval, and there are very, very few, mostly seem to be reuses of older crannogs. So if we can get a chronology of this one from when it was first built to when it was abandoned, that would be absolutely fantastic.
The painstaking work of excavating this crannog rock by rock, timber by timber, will slowly continue to uncover its mysteries.
Hopefully, it'll reveal when and why our ancestors took the trouble to build this incredible loch structure.